Hi, my name is Jackson. My partner's name is Daniel. We are creating a volcano eruption by using our equipment to create eruptions that will tell us how volcanoes erupt. First, we start with a 2-liter bottle. Then we got some chicken wire to build the shape of a volcano and put some paper machete on the chicken wire to make it stick to it. Next, we painted black and brown to make it look like a volcano. We put pieces of Play-Doh around the tip of the bottle. Last, we finish our project by adding palm trees. We will put some vinegar and baking soda to it, make it erupt. The connection to the water is that there are still lots of active volcanoes and that they still affect the Earth's surface. Another thing that we learned was about working with a partner. We learned that by working hard, big things happen.
Soap? Good idea.
Ketchup. Who use ketchup? That's a good one.
I think the soap actually controls the reaction a little bit more.